today we have something different. Look at this. These two lovely toys. Two lovely. Hi, it's nice to see you again in my new video. In this episode, I would like to share with you how to add some personality or some emotional elements in your One-Shot 360 photo. That will make your photo more emotional and more appealing to your audience, and that give your audience a much better immersive experience. I'm going to use the toys in the night shot. I will show you how I did it. My name is Yuqing, a 360 photographer lover and specialized in One-Shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master your One-Shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. Okay, let's jump to the start. Now I'm near the river. This is the river where I take the fishing panel and some other interesting light trails at night. And today I have some very interesting ideas about 360 shot. Look at this. These two lovely toys. Two lovely idols. It's full off. As first, let me introduce my setup. This is RICOH THETA Z1 Bushman Monopod. And now let me show you my setup. I put my toys on top of the balcony, and you can see on the far side I put my RICOH THETA Z1. I put the lens at the eye level of the toys. Now let's take a look at the real shooting example. Like this, you can see this in the live preview. We can see the composition of this 360 panorama. This young couple looks very nice in the final shot. And we can put this camera at eye level, so that will make this shot very interesting and very pop. And the shooting settings I choose for this shot is f2.1, maybe ISO 80, and shutter speed to... Oh no, I want to have a shorter exposure because I don't want to wait for too long, right? So I will choose like 200. The 200 ISO is also very good. Now shutter speed to choose as 8 seconds. I think it's gonna be right. Let's take a test shot. Okay. And after that, if everything is gonna be right, I'm gonna take multiple shots with the multi-bracket shooting mode and stack in RAW Plus in post. Okay. Let's check it out. The light in the result, you can see, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And yes, let's now take a shot with f2.1, ISO 200, 8 seconds with multi-bracket shooting. You can take that. I do care the image quality a lot, so I'm gonna take every shot at the best possible quality. Okay. The white balance I leave at 500K because I'm shooting raw. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shot. For my personal experience for the RICOH THETA Z1, 4-shot stacking RAW Plus will deliver a quite amazing result, and it's not as good as 8-shot and 16-shot, but it's around 80% or 90% as good as 8-shot or 16-shot. And today in this environment, we can see the light condition is okay. It's not bad, right? We have some ambient light, and we have the car moving around, so I think 4-shot is okay. But if you are in a rush, I recommend you can take at least a 4-shot stack in post. And if you are shooting with the dual fisheye plugin, yeah, you can choose 5-shot and trigger the camera automatically. Okay. Today I would like to take the shot with the screen capture with the THETA app because I want to show you exactly every step, every setting for me to capture this shot. Okay, I'm done. That's all for the shooting, and for the post process is just like the conventional way. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the real behind the scenes movie because I accidentally dropped the toys on the ground, so it's really a pity that I messed it up. This is my toy. You can see I've dropped the girl on the ground, so bleh. I sacrificed the young couple for this amazing shot, and I got to fix them in my house. Okay, to wrap up, we can express ourselves, express our feelings in the one-shot 360 photos, and sometimes we can even exaggerate by adding some personalities and some emotional elements such as these young couples to your one-shot 360 photos to make it more immersive. Yeah, because with one-shot 360 camera, we can shot at a very flexible viewpoint and to make your viewpoint much better than before. And I hope you can learn something from this behind the scenes movie and make your one-shot 360 camera more emotional and express yourself to your audience in a better way. And I will update my behind the scenes movie constantly. And I hope you have a best day, best life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.